Well guys, anytime you get a major snowstorm, you should always go check your sewer vent and your furnace and your natural gas meter or whatever to see if it's all iced over. So that's what I'm going to do right now, and it's so darn windy out right now. That's why I'm talking right now, because you're not going to be able to hear me when we go out here. So let's go out here. I haven't been out for 2 days, so. Oh yeah, she drifted in here. Blew all over my house. It's a blizzard out here. The wind's from the northeast, and that's over there. Northwest, I mean. Okay, here's your gas meter. There's a vent right here. You're gonna make sure it's venting. It's venting. My furnace is right there. Oh man, it's windy. Looks good. The vent's a little bit frosted inside. Not bad. You also check your hot water heater or whatever furnace vent up there. There's my sewer there, it looks good. Jeez. Oh, I hate winter already. I don't know about anybody else. I'll show you my driveway over here. About 3 feet deep. Right there. I'll glue in up here in my truck. Not even worth even removing snow because it's just gonna blow back in. That's how miserable it is. That's why I haven't been doing any videos. It's every other day. It's crazy. Look at it, even blew in there. That's why I have not been doing any videos, guys. It's terrible.